Have you find that side hustle that can bring you a lot of money, that you can get out of all this debt that you are in? Well, I have something. Just go and click on my bio and go and check it out. No, you don't have to sell anything. You don't have to buy anything. No, none of those. So, but it is a subscription, and it is a subscription with an amazing love for you because it makes you part of it and it gives you money. You can just not do anything and just sit back and see how this happen for you. Just don't stop your subscription monthly and see where you can end up. Yes, this is really true. It is amazing. It is super amazing. I didn't believe it till I go and try this now for myself. Guys, I am making it at long last something that really help. You don't have to type things and you don't have to read things. You don't have to do anything. Really, guys, nothing. This is God's gift. This is the best thing since sliced bread. You can believe me. Go and have a look. Go and have a look. Click on the bio link and just go and have a look. You don't have to do anything else. Just do that. Just go and surprise yourself. You're going to be so excited to see how amazing this is. And listen, people, all of you that's already on pension, this is amazing for you. You really don't have to do anything. You can just keep staying indoors doing nothing. Just don't skip your subscription. Because it's like Netflix. Netflix don't give you anything and you pay it every month. Isn't that so? Well, at least you can pay something monthly and you get something back. Something that can look after you for a very, very, very long time.